Have you ever watched animated videos where cartoons-like characters are playing different roles? If yes, then you can create similar videos using Adobe Expressive new animated video feature for free. And I'll also show you how you can make $10,000 per month using this free AI tool, and if you haven't watched any animated videos, I'll show you in a minute. I'll put the website link in the description so that you don't have to search about it. Plus, it's important to note that you should use Adobe Express beta version. This is the Adobe Express beta version, and you will see tons of new features here, but for today's video, we are only interested in Adobe animated video using audio. This is an Adobe animated video using audio, and it can generate animated videos using Adobe Artificial Intelligence technology and voice recognition and lip syncing algorithm. Adobe Express animated video from audio is a feature that allows you to create animated videos using your voice or pre-recorded audio file. Here are the steps to use this feature. Upload your audio file. You can upload your audio file, image, or video to Adobe Express. Choose an animated character. You can select an animated character of your choice. Select Animate from Audio. Choose the Animate from Audio feature to start animating your character. Enhance speech. Adobe Express will enhance your speech to make it more clear and understandable. Watch your character come to life. Your character will come to life with your voice recording or pre-recorded audio file. This feature can be useful for creating engaging and entertaining animated videos that can be used for various purposes such as explainer videos, educational content, or social media posts that require eye-catching visuals and engaging audio. Additionally, Adobe Express is a free tool, making it accessible to a wide range of users who may not have access to more advanced animation software. While our video is getting ready, what I am about to show you will blow your mind. A friend of mine is doing what I am about to tell you. He has started selling this service on Fiverr, and I will also give you live example of other sellers that are selling this service for $250 per minute. On Fiverr, you will find tons of sellers selling this service, and they have price ranges from $30 to $1,000. You can see this with your own eyes, and if you're smart enough to leverage this opportunity, your $10,000 are waiting for you. And it's not hard to sell this service because this service is in demand, and you will not find it hard to make videos and hand over to clients. Just because you are watching Ghaffar Qureshi videos, he will make you better in your life and business. So if you want to harness the power of AI, hit the subscribe button and embark on a journey of limitless possibilities. In this section you will see top sellers selling this service, and because they are selling this service and this is in demand, you will also find your client easily. And if you don't want to work on this yourself, hire a cheap seller on Fiverr and start making money. As I always say, it's not about working hard, it's about positioning. Our video is ready now, but unfortunately, you won't be able to hear the voice as I forgot to connect my mic. However, I hope this gives you an idea of how you can generate these types of videos for your social media or clients. Some key features of Adobe Express Video Editor include easy video creation. Adobe Express allows you to create professional and custom videos easily, even without design skills. It provides a user-friendly interface and intuitive tools for a seamless editing experience. Video editing tools. Adobe Express offers a range of video editing tools such as trimming, cutting, merging, and resizing videos. You can also adjust the video's brightness, contrast, saturation, and apply filters and effects to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Audio editing tools. The video editor allows you to adjust the volume of your video's audio, add background music, and apply sound effects to enhance the audio quality. Text overlays and captions. You can add text overlays and captions to your videos to provide context, titles, subtitles, or other information. Templates and animations. Adobe Express provides a wide range of templates and animations that you can use to enhance your videos. These templates offer various themes and styles to suit different purposes and can save you time in creating visually appealing videos. Social media integration. Adobe Express allows you to easily share your videos on popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You should subscribe to this channel if you want to be ahead in the AI game.